25-year veteran of the military. Just recently retired, and a few months ago he came to me and wanted his military memorabilia box built for him, so I told him I would definitely take on that project. I asked him to send me just a picture of something that was kind of close to what he wanted made for him, and what he did, and so went ahead and did it, and today we're here to reveal that project to him. He hasn't seen it yet, except for just bits and pieces as I was making it. So today we're gonna get to see it, man, and here we go. Derek, I want you to go ahead and turn around, man. I want you to check this out. What I did for you, man. Wow.
Man. Awesome, man. Awesome. Oh, that.
You like it, man?
Hell yeah.
Awesome, man.
Throw a couple cigars up in there.
It's almost a humidor too, right?
Oh, man. It's nice right here, brother. Oh, my God. Some beautiful wood, man.
That's that.
Beautiful wood.
That's that black walnut, man.
Man. I need to do nothing else to it. Awesome. Awesome. Man, really appreciate it.
I want to say, man,
Thank you.
I appreciate your friendship, but most importantly, man, I appreciate your service, man. 25 years. Man, like I said, as long as I've known you, man, I've known you to be a really good man, a good father and everything. You've been a great friend. Hey, you've been a great customer over the years and everything.
Oh, yeah.
So, because of all that, what I want to do is, man, one last surprise I got for you is, man, I ain't gonna charge you a dime, man. This is for you being that good father, man, and being a good friend, and for serving our country, man.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
You know, I truly appreciate it, man.
Awesome.
So, appreciate you, Derek.
Appreciate you.
Yeah, man, most definitely.
Appreciate
Man.
you.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, this is beautiful. See Derek Taylor at Zodiacs. Get you one. All you veterans out there, hey, this is lovely. It's something to remember by for a lifetime. Man, great friend, man, great friend. Oh, thank you, Derek.
Hey, no problem, man.
Really appreciate it.